I just wanted to let you know that I got Microlocs. So I'm pretty much almost done. I'm left with just this section over here. I'm really hoping that I didn't make these too small because I feel like they're smaller than this, but this could also be these are older now. But yeah, I only have this section left and then I'll be done.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Believe I actually did this. Like, the patience though. Gotta say something about that. So so far I'm pretty happy with them. It will be interesting to see how they all kind of fill out eventually, because I know for sure, or at least it feels like the back, I didn't really do them as small as I did the front. So Yeah, so I don't know how, in terms of the consistency, I think doing them on multiple days, you don't get to actually have the same consistent look. Yeah, because your hand is different every single day. Like, as in, I feel like, for some reason, I feel like these are the thinnest ones. Like, these are the smallest size. Followed by this section, and then the back, or the rest of it. And it still feels a little bit flat, but I feel like it's not as flat as some of the people I've seen on YouTube. So I'm kind of concerned that I've made them too big. Because other people's on YouTube, like, they're more scalpy. I felt this side was more scalpy than, it's not so much now, but yeah, I felt like this side was pretty scalpy when I did it compared to this side, I think. But nonetheless, I don't know, like, as in on YouTube I've seen people doing Microlocs and theirs look, and sisterlocs or whatever, and they look pretty scalpy, and mine don't look as scalpy as I thought. So I'm not sure whether that's because the size I did them or I did something wrong, but we will all find out at the same time. We'll soon find out. I'm pretty happy with them, to be honest. I mean, the retwisting is gonna be kind of interesting, right? Because this is a lot of little twists in my hair, so it's gonna be interesting to see how long that takes me. I mean, it can't possibly take me the same amount of time as this installing them did. I just wanted to let you know that I got Microlocs. And yeah, like, we'll see how this goes, but I'm pretty happy. And yeah, my scalp is pretty dry, like, but I think, I mean, I feel like that's because I'm pregnant. I have just dry skin all around, and so I'm thinking like that's what that is, because I actually removed like flaky flakes, especially on this side, that I didn't even know I had all this time. And I was like, my husband's always kissing my head, and I'm like, you didn't tell me that I got like dandruff looking hair. But yeah, okay, I'm pretty happy about this. I'm gonna call my mom and show her, because I think she'll be pretty jazzed as well. My understanding is I'm not supposed to wash my hair for like 2 weeks, which is gonna be pretty hard because it's pretty hot here, and I really wanted to get some of that dandruff out. But yeah, I will not rush the process, and I'm just really happy that I did this. I hope I like it in 2 months, you know what I mean? Because it would be awesome, like, just being able to keep a look like this. Okay, so this is day 1 of being locked. I feel like I should fix this part. I think I might fix this side a little bit. Let me know what you think. And if you have sisterlocs or Microlocs, give a sister some advice about how to maintain this stuff without, you know, it taking over my life. The whole point of me doing this is so that I don't think about my hair as much. I'm so excited about this. I don't know why. I hope I still like it. I hope I still like it in a week. Because right now I really like it. I will see you in the next video.